Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Okay guys, so we're going to make some golden apple chow, or another name is Ambarella Chow. So we come in here to our golden apple tree so that we can pick some of the green golden apples in order to make our chow. So generally when you're making chow, you use the green golden apples and not the ripe ones. So let's pick a few of them, and we're going to go and get the other ingredients around the garden in order to make our chow. So let's head over now and get the other ingredients to make our chow. So here in my garden, I have what is called a bird pepper tree. So if you look here, you will see some bird peppers on it. Now, if you wanted your chow to be spicy, you can add hot pepper to your chow. But I'm not going to worry to add any hot pepper to my chow. But that's an option. Okay, so I'm coming into my garden here to get some shadow beni to make my chow. I haven't weeded my garden for a while, so it has a lot of weeds, but I'll pick just a couple leaves of the shadow beni here. So I have 2 leaves here that I'm going to use to cut up in my chow. Okay, so now I'm going to pick some chive to put into my chow. Alright, so here I have some chive here. So I'm going to use that to put into my chow. The next thing that we're going to need to make our chow is a lime. So I'm just going to get one of my limes here in order to put into my chow. Okay guys, so we're going to make some golden apple or Ambarella Chow. These are the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our chow. So here we have some golden apple or Ambarella. We have, I'm going to use just half of a lime. I'm going to use some chive, and I'm also going to use 2 leaves of shadow beni. I'm going to use some salt to taste as well. Now there are 2 items that it is usually added to chow that I am not adding, which is garlic and hot pepper. So if you want to add 2 cloves of garlic to your chow, you can do that. If you want to add hot pepper, you can do that as well. But I'm not going to use any of the hot pepper or the garlic in my chow. So I'm going to get to peeling the golden apple and getting the chive and the shadow beni cut up fine. And then I'm going to mix everything in this bowl here. So let's get started. So in peeling the golden apple, another name for this is pomsity. You just peel in just the skin. You're not going in deep. You're just peeling off the skin here. There are a number of other things you can do with this. You can make chutneys with it. You can do jam with it. You could even eat the leaves. If I wanted, I could have picked some of the leaves and chop it up and add it to this chow. The leaves are edible. I'd have another video which highlights the benefits of the golden apple or ambarella. I'll put a link in the description. Well, let me get to cutting up the rest of this and then I'll be back. I notice what I did there? It has a spiky seed inside. So you just press the knife down until you hit the pit or the seed, and then you twist the knife to the side, and that will cause the little wedges to come out. You could even make juice with this. So you can cut the wedges out and juice it, make golden apple juice. Of course, if you allow this to ripen, when it ripens it gets yellow. It's depending on the variety, it can be nice and sweet. Some of the golden apples are very tart and others are more sweet. Of course, I prefer the ones that are more sweet. Actually, what I do with my golden apple tree is that I put Epsom salts at the base, at the root, because I was told that by doing that, it can help the fruit to be sweeter. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just squeeze half of a lime. Of course, if you want to put a whole lime, you can do that, but I'm just going to use half a lime. Squeeze it in there. Now, everything left to do is just, oh, we have to add our salt. Almost forgot the salt. Okay, so let's add some salt. Oh, there's actually one more thing. Oh boy. So one more thing that I forgot to mention when telling you the ingredients, which I'm going to have to add now, which is seasoning pepper. So I'm not going to use a hot pepper, but I will use what is called a seasoning pepper. So the seasoning pepper doesn't have heat, but it gives some flavor. So let me go. This is how the seasoning pepper looks. I'm going to wash it and then I'm going to chip it up to add to it. Okay, so the seasoning pepper has some seeds in it, so I'm just going to take out the seeds and I'm just going to chip this up really small and add it to it just to give some flavor. And what I'm going to do with this is, after I stir it well, you taste for salt if you need to add a little more, and then I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap and I'm going to put it out on my banister or my in the porch so that the sun could hit on it, and I'm going to leave it there for a few hours in order to help the flavors to develop. So I just chipped up my seasoning pepper. Just going to stir this well. Let's taste a little piece to see if we need to add any more salt. All right, I will add just a little more salt, because by adding the lime juice, it makes it a little more tart. So if you don't want to add lime, then you don't have to. All right, so there you have it. Let's just transfer it into this bowl. Okay guys, so there you have it. Our golden apple or Ambarella Chow is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.